finally provide a solution to Nnamdi Kanu quick release, says federal government pursues peace without justice. The Ohaeneze Igbo yesterday, through this very morning, said the manner the federal government is handling the issue of the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, and his Yoruba nation counterpart, Sunday Ademo, aka Sunday Igboho, is hacking to pursuing peace without justice. It said the Nigerian authority and security operatives has in recent times shown that they could bite, but urged that they devote similar zeal and energy in tackling the Boko people insurgents, marauding herdsmen and bandits in the northeast, northwest, and other parts of the country. The Apex Igbo organization, in a statement by its spokesman, Alex Ogbonia, flagged what it described as selective efficiency of the security operatives in handling the various cases. Quoting the words of Pope John Paul II, Ohaeneze said that the only way for peace to reign in society is for justice to be seen to be served to all. We recall that Chief Sunday Igboho emerged in the scene because he could not endure the daily menace of the Fulani herdsmen in the Yoruba localities. For a very long time, the herdsmen would kill, maim, and rape women at random. All entrances to the presidency for a swift action against the AK-47 Wyden herdsmen appeared to fall on deaf ears. Then Igboho, in a patriotic heroic zeal, intervened to save the rural farmers, women, and children from the daily menace of the herdsmen. The rate at which the herdsmen destroy farm crops, attack villages, kill the indigents, and forcefully occupy their ancestral lands is most callous, unconscionable, and condemnable. This is where the intervention of the presidency is most needed. And of course, the Igbo paradox. Ohaeneze Igbo worldwide, led by Ambassador Professor George Obiozo, has maintained the need for the presidency to embrace equity, justice, and fairness in public policy formulation and execution. And that the various forms of agitation in Nigeria is an effort and not a cause in itself. The cause of the agitation is the obvious injustice in federal public policies. Measures should rather be taken to address the causes of the agitations, and only then can Nigeria have peace and sustainable economic growth. On the other hand, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Sunday Igboho, who wittingly or unwittingly are now seen as heroes by their people, are but the product of unjust society. Therefore, a concerted effort in search of the Kanus and Igbohos without addressing the basis of the agitation is an effort in futility. Otherwise, other Kanus and Igboho will sooner than later emerge, Ohaeneze stated. Nigerians, the Igbos, the Westerners, even the Northerners too, keep speaking on this very issue. Buhari working for peace without justice. Let me tell you the truth, my dear. There is no peace that Buhari is pursuing. We still don't get it, and we are still not getting it. Buhari is not pursuing any peace. You don't know. He's not pursuing any peace. Buhari is pursuing, what Buhari is pursuing is his personal agenda. His personal agenda. And that personal agenda, I tell you, is an agenda of Islamization. You think it's pursuing peace? It's not pursuing any fucking peace. So stop wasting your time. Stop it. Stop wasting your time. Buhari is pursuing Islamization, making you to believe that he's pursuing peace. Buhari cannot fool himself, come into government after many times of trial and he did not succeed and he came in and started pursuing peace. Do you think he's a fool? A Fulani man that already knows what is happening to to the Fulanis. Okay, even as he came in, what has he been able to do for the Fulanis? He abandoned them. That is to tell you that it's not even after his own people. It's not even after the Westerners or the Easterners. It's after his personal needs. Do you know that? You don't know. You don't know. And that is why I am telling you now. See how he influenced all our leaders, changed their mind and diverted all their attention to himself. So that anything he says can be supported. And that is what is happening now. Is that not what is happening? Anything Buhari says, our governors will support. Our governors will support. Anything he says, they will support. You see that? So, what are you saying? What are we saying? So, let us not just waste our time. Let us not just waste our time. Because Buhari has an intention. Buhari already has an intention. And that intention is what he's already working on. The intention is what he's already working on. So we all need to be wise and say no to that. Say no to that. Reject it. Reject it instantly because it will pay you no good. There is no gain in Buhari's plan. Buhari is a disappointment. Absolute disappointment. So let us not give him the chance. Let us not give him the chance. Let us not give him the opportunity and the grace. You understand? That's it. He has eaten more than he can chew. So giving him the chance, I tell you, is a very big issue. It's a very, very big issue. You understand? It's a very big issue. So let us maintain our stand. Let's maintain our stand. Because Buhari is not a good man. He's not a good man. I'm telling you. So that is just it, my dear viewers. Based on this very fact, I will be telling you that there is nothing Buhari can say that will, that will move me or make me believe in his plans for Nigeria, because I know that there is no good plan coming from Buhari. There is no one. All right, let me hear from you anyway to know what you have to say about this very issue. If you're new, click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.